Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I just thought I'd bring you along to show you a little bit of a grocery and vegetable haul that we've done. Today is May the 23rd. I did film when we planted our garden, but I'm having major computer problems with my editing stuff freezing up, and then the computer freezes up. One day I sat there for hours and I just like, nah. So we're still trying to work on that. I do have videos that needs to be uploaded. So at the end of this, I will just go out and show you our garden. It's been planted for what, 2 weeks? 3 weeks. So anyway, we went by Publix. See that crate of corn right there? And my cat's interested in it. With that cream of corn, or that corn, it was 4 for $1. And I had mentioned the other day I'd like to make some more of my cream style corn. I have videos on that and how to freeze it and put some in the freezer. So they sold us a whole crate of it. So 25 cents an ear. So while there, they had their Wesson oil buy one get one free. And that's mainly why we go there. And we just got some of this because we're going to have some baby back ribs tomorrow. And then on their Weber seasonings, they had them buy one get one free. And then there was a 75-cent off coupon. So we actually paid, what, 40 cents for each of these. So I got the roasted garlic and herb. The New Orleans Cajun. We got the gourmet burger. And now you can put this in anything like that you like. And the steak and chop seasoning. So that wasn't bad for 40 cents each. And then we're having hot dogs tonight, but the men are having those. And then Ricky just got him some Nivea body wash. So our local vegetable stand has opened back up, and we are so thankful that he did. So in here, I call these green lima beans. Ricky calls them little butter beans. But they're fresh. They go ahead and shell them, so we buy them like this to cook. And then got a crate, well not a crate, but a sack of some okra. There's a reason why I paused. And now, one time on the shopping list, and Larice from Larice's Kitchen reminded us of this memory. One time, I wrote out a shopping list and I spelled okra, O-R-K-A, instead of O-K-R-A. And so Ricky's like, what is orca? And so now when I say I want some fresh okra, he starts saying about the orca. And got some tomatoes. Their tomatoes are the best until ours come in. And then got some fresh lemons and lime because I want to make some lemon limeade. That's good. And then we, my son for Mother's Day had gotten me a Target gift card. And here a while back, y'all seen me do the video of the mini brands. And y'all know how I like mini things. These things are hard to find. They are hardly in stock. So today, while in Target, we just walked back there just to see, and they had some. So I got 6 of these with my gift card. And just did an extra running around and stuff. So I'm going to take y'all outside. Our garden's been planted for 3 weeks. It's a small garden. Even though we have a pretty big backyard, the side of the house is only where the garden does really any good. If we put it in the backyard, you got rabbits and dogs and all of that we tried, and we just couldn't get it to work. And so anyway, let me show you the garden. I'm having to do a voiceover because my neighbors, next door neighbors, are playing music. This other little space I'm showing you real quick is in front of like our garden. I bought some ivy, and it's kind of taken over that area, and then it's just some Mother's Day flowers we planted out there with another rose Mary bush. So anyway, our garden, we have like 7 tomato plants, 2 jalapeno plants, and then the rest are the purple hull peas. And so that way we can have enough to freeze too, to get in our freezer. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment, are you growing a garden or buying up vegetables or anything to freeze? And let me know. And I promise I'm trying to get our computer working right, and the video should start being able to upload quicker and all. But until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.